Chapter 9, Section 1. Let's start off with a little bit of notes. So first thing we're going to talk about the critical value. So this critical value, they're going to give you some sort of confidence. So they're going to give you some level of confidence. Basically, this is how confident they are about their test that they're about to run. So level of confidence. And they're going to say it's some sort of percent, either the decimal form or the percentage form. So let's say the level of percent, this level of confidence is 92%. Now, 92% is how much they think will be right. That's how much they will want to get correct. That's what they are hoping for. So for the critical value, what they're going to do is actually take this percentage and subtract it from 100%. So for the critical value, we're going to do 1 minus this decimal, so 0.92, which gives you 0.08. Then you have to divide this by 2, and this number is what they call z half alpha. We're going to be using this number right here to go into your calculator and figure out what the actual value is. But this is how we're going to do it. So they're going to give you some level of confidence. We're going to subtract it from 1, we're going to divide by 2, and then we're going to plug this into the calculator. So that's the first thing that we're going to talk about, this level of confidence critical value. Next, we're going to talk about lower bounds and upper bounds. Different types now. So a lower bound is equal to p hat minus e, and this is the error of margin. And your upper bound is equal to p hat plus e. So those are two more formulas that we're kind of going to use. And the last thing we're going to talk about is estimating a population. So estimating some sort of population proportion. So estimating. So there's two different ones. They have the one with the proportion, so this is one with a p hat. So then if we're estimating, n will be equal to p hat times 1 minus p hat times this critical value divided by e squared. Again, e, your error of margin, z alpha divided by 2, that's your critical value. We're going to find the score for that. P hat is a special proportion that they give you. The other one, n will be equal to, they won't give you a proportion, so it's always 0.25 times that same exact thing, this critical value divided by e squared. Now these numbers will come up with decimals, so what you're going to do, you're always going to round up to the next integer, right? These are estimates. So these are populations, these are things, so we can't have halves or points or anything like that. So whatever your number is, we're just going to round up every single time.